Openi kwanhwefo abedi achire edema Ghana Tourism Authority eyo nonyafo ata kusi kakra na wo eye Ghana ni adwumadie so ekoso ewo Fontomfrom dwumadie wo eye kantanka fidwem ha ena obekire niema a wo mudi agu akwamu ehwe se December afahye yi niema wo mo hwe se yemanfo behwe anim na wakire se eye December in GH ni nyina ne se wo bodawuru niema o man Ghana ye wo ombetumi ato nsade afre wona wo amama hodo so otumi bepie mo man Ghana mu no otumi aba se ne beya wo sika famu no ibetumi akoyie ede amaye
Ghana Tourism Authority the nema bebregugu akwemu
sure
yedi a lot of events and activities
sure
gugu akwemu na onim one thing I pese yema adofo eti ase ne se any etiefo any ahwefo yema obiati ase ne se December in GH no enya only about parties.
Yeah.
And yes, we call party way from one party to the other, one event to the other, baby. But Osha, yeah, the diasporans neba and a yanti memufono in terms of domestic tourism, no. Yeah, just say you bet me develop your tourism, no. Now your tourism no so to memufo enyam faswo kese e free mo. Na wamu ya parties no so na mfaswo kese e free mo aba. And no your friend redistribution of income among the populace. In Osha populace no one benya a lot goodwill in terms of diasporans and a young domestic tourists that here call various places na ya to Toniama ya to adie ya to nyina no na edisika ebrewomo ejosha ya make Ghana a holiday destination compared to other countries. 2019 the year of return by now beyond the return, and then we have now Black Star Experience. Now, Black Star Experience is also based on 7 pillars. So 7 pillars, and in the FAPEM, the year December in GH from this year to the next 4 years. Now, the first one is cinema. Second, cinema, because cinema and only movie industry. Audio near music industry. And then also there was style, which is fashion. Cloud in these local print, Nyagro. Apart from that, there were aesthetics. Aesthetics, they are photography, sculpture, arts, crafts, and then also there were another one, a friend, heritage. Heritage, talks about the Omaino. You bet me Eddie aso Omaino na Omaino so ye din akonkan. And then also Usha your heritage, in terms of your culture. Your heritage, your traditions. Niama Ghana a dance. Yetimi edi chair afefo a womo ba o man mo.